Hello everyone. I am going to talk about artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Man-made plus thinking power. If man and create a machine that works and thinks like a human, it is called artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. The intelligence demonstrated by machines is counted as artificial intelligence. These machines are able to learn with experience and perform human-like tasks. As technologies such as AI continue to we growth will have a great impact on. It's capable of performing tasks intelligence without being instituted, capable of thinking and acting naturally and humanly. What are the types of artificial intelligence? There are three types of artificial intelligence: artificial narrow intelligence, artificial general intelligence, artificial super intelligence. Three types of artificial intelligence: artificial narrow intelligence, stage, machine learning; artificial general intelligence, machine intelligence; artificial super intelligence, machine continuously. How artificial intelligence, machine learning, ML teaches a machine how to make interface and design based on past experience. It identifies partners, analyzes past data to enter the meaning of these data points to reach a public constituency without having a involve human experience. Deep learning. Deep learning and ML technique teaches a machine to process input through layer in order to classify inferent part outcome. Net neural networks. Neural networks on the similar principles as human neural calls. They are series of algorithms and capture the relationship between various variables and process the data as human brain does. Natural learning language processing. NPL is a science of reading, understanding, interpreting a language by a machine. One a machine understands what user intelligent to communicate the respond accordingly. Computer vision algorithms try to understand an image by breaking down an image and studying different parts of objects. Converting computing algorithms try to machine a human brain by strong A1. It is a wider application with a more vast scope. Weak A1. It is a narrow application with a limited scope. Strong 1. This application has an incredible human level intelligence. Weak. This application is good at specified tasks. Strong. It uses and association to process data. Weak. It is used supervised and unsupervised learning to process data. Example advanced robots. Example Sira, Alexa. Advantage and disadvantage of advantages. Reducing human error helps is in listening. Repetitive work provides digital assistance faster and more accurate decisions. Disadvantages: cost overruns, better of talent, lack for practical produce, potential for minus. Robot in AI. The field of robots has been advancing even before it became a reality. At this stage, artificial intelligence is helping robots to innovate and faster with effective robots. Thanks for watching my videos. Our artificial is what makes you human, and AI is the essence of the quality. Thanks for watching.